Happy morning to all my dear students. Now let us continue with Unit 2, Part 2, A Story of Self-Sacrifice and Bravery. Nirja Banot Life. Nirja Banot, as you all know, she was a great and courageous person, sacrificed her life for the sake of others. She was a brave woman. Nirja Banot was born on 7th September 1963 in Chandigarh. She was born in Chandigarh, that is in Punjab. Have you gone to Chandigarh, children? I don't think. So it is in Punjab, India, to Rama Banot and Harish Banot, a Mumbai-based journalist. She was born to Rama Banot and Harish Banot. They were a Mumbai-based journalist. You know who is the journalist? Okay, they write newspapers and they take the report and put the daily news and so on. They were Mumbai-based journalists. I think you also want to become a journalist, isn't it? Journalist has to risk their life. She was the couple's third child, a much longed for daughter after two sons, Akhil and Anish. They wanted to have a daughter because they had two sons. They wanted to have one more, that is a daughter they wanted to have. Nirja attended Chandigarh's Sacred Heart School till she was in the 6th standard. She was studying in Sacred Heart School up to her 6th standard, after which her family moved to Mumbai. After her 6th standard, all of them went to Mumbai. They moved to Mumbai. There she attended Bombay Scottish School and went on to graduate from St. Xavier's College. When she went to Mumbai, she was studying in Scottish School and she went to graduate from St. Xavier's College. She did her graduate in St. Xavier's College. Even though Nirja's career had taken off, her family decided to get her married to a man in Sharjah, UAE. As she was doing her career, they wanted to give her marriage to a man in UAE. By March 1985, Nirja was married. In the month of March 1985, she got married. This is where her life took a turn for the worse. After her marriage, she was not at all happy. It turned to worse life. Before that, she was living very happily. After the marriage, it took to worse. The marriage proved to be a disaster. Disaster means a sudden misfortune. After 2 months, she left her husband at the age of 22 due to pressurizing dowry demands. Within 2 months, she left her husband at the age of 22 and she went to her family because he was pressurizing for the dowry. You know, children, we need to stop this dowry system. But this woman refused to surrender to the society because she was born with a spirit of fight. She was born of spirit of fight against all these evil doings, demands of dowry and so on. No, she was against it. Despite of sore marriage, she started her career in modeling and made appearances in various advertisements like Pinaka toothpaste, etc. She did not root on those life, but she came out of it and she started her career of modeling and some of other advertisement. She then applied for a flight attendant's job with Pan Am, the principal and largest international air carrier in the United States at that time. Only 80 of the 10,000 applicants were picked. Out of 10,000, only 80 were selected. She was sent to Miami after selection. Nirja was sent to Miami to train for 6 to 8 weeks. She was sent to Miami for training herself 6 to 8 weeks, and within a year, based on performance and peer review, she was sent to London to train to be a purser. See, because of her performance, she did well. So that very fast they selected her and sent to train in a higher way to London. The senior most cabin manager, to become a senior most cabin manager, she was sent to train herself. Pursers worked as managers on flights, handling passenger complaints, making required announcements, and handling security. She was soon made a senior flight purser with the Airways, a big career achievement for a young woman of 22. At the age of 22 itself, she succeeded her life. A big achievement, she got it because of her hard work, determination, willpower. Okay, because of that she achieved in her life.